CES 2026 just wrapped up in Las Vegas, and this year felt different. AI stopped being the headline and started becoming the infrastructure. Instead of apps and cloud features, we saw physical systems, robots that move, cars that drive themselves, devices that clean and interact with the real world. These weren't prototypes in glass cases. They were functioning demos running live on the show floor. We're breaking down the 10 most significant announcements from CES 2026. Not the flashiest, but the ones that signal where technology is actually headed. Let's get into it. Starting with the most technically impressive system at the entire show, Boston Dynamics Atlas. This fully electric humanoid robot just transitioned from research prototype to something that looks like a real product. Atlas can lift about 110 pounds instantly and sustain continuous loads near 70 pounds. It runs for up to 4 hours per battery cycle and can autonomously swap its own battery, enabling continuous operation without human intervention. The robot is rated IP67, meaning it handles rain and dust, and operates in temperatures from -20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Its joint architecture allows full rotational movement beyond human limits, enabling manipulation tasks humans struggle with. The perception system, inspired by autonomous vehicle tech, reliably detects people, obstacles, and hazards in dynamic environments. Boston Dynamics is positioning Atlas for repetitive, hazardous, and physically demanding industrial tasks. At CES 2026, it became clear this isn't vaporware anymore. This is happening. Tensor Robocar. From industrial robotics to autonomous mobility, Tensor Robocar is marketed as the world's first personally owned Level 4 autonomous vehicle. Unlike Waymo or Cruise fleet vehicles, Tensor is engineered for long-term private ownership with extensive self-maintenance capabilities. The sensor stack is intense: 11 radar units, 37 cameras, and 8 NVIDIA Thor processors delivering 8,000 TOPs of processing power. This enables full hands-off, eyes-off driving in approved environments. The vehicle transitions from Level 3 assisted driving to Level 4 autonomy, and when it hits Level 4, the steering yoke physically retracts. Tensor integrates 5G for real-time navigation, calendar sync, and video conferencing. It has light-embedded displays that communicate with pedestrians, signaling when it's safe to cross. This isn't just a self-driving car, it's a privately owned robotaxi designed to slot into your personal life, and that's a massive shift for urban mobility. Mercedes Drive Assist Pro. If Tensor represents the autonomous future, Mercedes Drive Assist Pro is the bridge to get there. This Level 2++ system works in both urban and highway environments, built on serious sensor architecture. 5 radars, 10 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, all processed by an NVIDIA supercomputer handling 58 trillion operations per second. Unlike camera-only systems, Mercedes uses multi-sensor fusion, improving redundancy and awareness. The system monitors driver attention through eye tracking and requires readiness to intervene. Real-world demos at CES handled dense urban traffic, pedestrians, cyclists, obstructed roadways. Mercedes isn't promising full self-driving. They're delivering scalable, safety-certified assisted autonomy that works today. For most consumers, that's more valuable than distant promises about robotaxis. Now we shift to home robotics with something genuinely surprising: Roborock Rover. This is a robot vacuum with articulated mechanical legs that climb stairs while actively vacuuming each step. AI sensors detect stair height, depth, and surface conditions, enabling adaptive movement without manual intervention. During CES demos, it took 30 to 40 seconds to climb 5 large steps while cleaning them, something previous solutions couldn't do. Right now, multi-level homes require multiple robots or manual carrying. Rover eliminates that, handling your entire home autonomously. Commercial availability is projected about a year out. Considering the Roborock Saros Z70 launched at $2,599, expectations are forming. This solves a real problem millions of homeowners deal with daily. Scuba V3. Continuing home automation with Scuba V3, an AI-powered robotic pool cleaner with surprisingly sophisticated intelligence. It employs AI patrol cleaning, detecting debris in real time and dynamically adjusting paths to reduce redundant coverage. The system features cognitive AI navigation that generates adaptive weekly schedules based on pool size, usage patterns, and environmental conditions. It weighs about 18 pounds, automatically returns to the waterline when done, and notifies you via app. An advanced Ultra variant extends coverage to water surfaces and shallow areas. This demonstrates how AI differentiation is showing up in unexpected categories. It's a clear problem-solving upgrade with strong practical appeal. Engine AI. Back to humanoid robotics with a different focus. Engine AI develops robots optimized for expressive motion and public deployment. The model stands 1.38 meters tall, weighs 40 kilograms, and features 24 degrees of freedom, enabling complex movements like martial arts demonstrations. It has a chest-mounted touchscreen for interaction and programming. Engine AI positions these for commercial environments, shopping malls, exhibitions, reception services, where consistent behavior and customer engagement matter. In large retail environments, training human staff is expensive and time-consuming. These robots target specific roles where consistency and uptime matter more than human intuition, reducing training overhead without replacing all human jobs. Ecovacs LilMilo. Now into companion robots. Ecovacs LilMilo is a compact, AI-enabled companion focused on domestic interaction rather than physical labor. The system emphasizes conversational AI, basic environmental awareness, and emotional expression through animated displays and voice interaction. It leverages onboard AI for speech recognition, contextual responses, and simple task reminders. Designed for companionship, light assistance, and ambient interaction, the hardware prioritizes portability and low power consumption for safe indoor operation. The companion robot category shows how robotics is branching into emotional and social use cases, not just labor replacement. It's a natural evolution after the industrial systems we've covered. Xreal One S, transitioning to spatial computing. Xreal One S is a mid-generation refresh, improving display resolution from 1080p to 1200p per eye, with field of view expanding from 50 to 52 degrees. Despite upgrades, it's priced lower than its predecessor. The glasses support stereoscopic rendering of desktop environments, turning any surface into a multi-monitor setup. This shift to spatial computing keeps the tech-forward momentum without overloading on robotics. Lenovo ThinkPad Rollable. Hardware innovation that feels tangible. The Lenovo ThinkPad Rollable features a vertically expanding OLED display, transitioning from 13.3 to 16 inches. The mechanism allows dynamic screen adjustment without increasing device footprint. Lenovo reports durability testing of 25,000 roll cycles, suggesting real-world engineering. A gaming variant extends from 16 to over 21 inches, demonstrating scalability. The rollable module is envisioned as a modular add-on for multiple platforms, though no release timeline exists. This bridges futuristic concepts with immediately practical productivity tools you can visualize using daily. L'Oreal LED Face Mask. Closing with lifestyle and health tech. The L'Oreal LED Face Mask is a flexible, lightweight device integrating LED light therapy into facial routines. Unlike rigid masks, it conforms to facial contours, improving comfort and light penetration. L'Oreal emphasizes transparency around wavelength selection and clinical validation, addressing common consumer concerns. Sessions last 5 to 10 minutes, complementing existing skincare regimens. The product is pending FDA 510K clearance, with commercial launch projected for 2027. This wraps the list on a consumer-friendly note, balancing heavier technical content without feeling like filler. And that's the breakdown. CES 2026 didn't ease into the future, it opened with it, fully assembled. Robots aren't theoretical. AI isn't abstract. Energy, mobility, homes, and work are being wired together right now. Which announcement do you find most interesting? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.